lovelies, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are well and that you guys are keeping safe. If this is your very first time meeting this bold, beautiful, dark-skinned girl from South Sudan, you're highly welcome to my space. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and let me know where you're watching from. So as you can see by the title, so today I'm shooting an intro. This video is already short. I did not do the intro, so I'm shooting the intro right now so that you guys get to understand exactly what's happening. So I am cooking in the village, like the African way, but like this is bringing the city to the village. Of course I'm going to cook like local, but still the results are amazing, as you can see on your screen. So I'm not going to talk much. Watch to the end and let me know where you're watching from or what you think about this video. So you're not going to be seeing my face a lot because I do not have a good photographer, but yeah, that's it, or a good cameraman or a woman. So yeah, but let's dive into this video. So first of all, I did not take you through the process of cutting the fish or cleaning it or marinating, even peeling off the iris, because we are going to fry the fish and also chips or fries, right? So they're already on fire, as you guys can see. Sorry I did not take you guys with the process all, but yeah, bear with us. You already know how this thing feels, even cleaning the fish and everything. About what I use for marinating it, I'm going to show you in the next clip.
But I'm not sure, yeah? That's fine. Yeah. I wanted to take you fully. Yeah.
I don't know why those ones are changing color. I think the one they were trying to spoil or something.
Yeah, those purplish ones.
See how they're looking as if there's ink.
You can put all.
Now that we are done with the chips, we need to use our brain. So we are going to use the same oil to fry the fish. So here is our fish. We have already marinated it. You bring closer so that they see. So we have pounded garlic and black peppers, and that's what we use to marinate it. It has stayed at least, I think, 1 hour, and now it's time we put it in the oil. So let's start. Can go for an oil. Let's give them time now to cook, then we come and check them later. We cut some onions on it so that it smells good. Chief chef in the house. Carry it now. It's time to cut cabbage. So cabbage is going to be the side dish, right? The main dish is the fried fish with chips. Then we are cutting cabbage for a side dish. If there's one thing I always struggle to do is cutting cabbage. I cut it big.
There's another knife, I have it in Juba. With that knife, you'll enjoy cutting cabbage.
How?
It's specifically for cutting cabbage. You just pass it like this. It just slices it uniformly.
I don't know if I can do that. But it's like a uniform. Our cabbage is ready. Let me go and bring basil. Cut. Oh, that one you have removed already. So I fried the onions for the cabbage for some time. Then now it's time to add the cabbage. Then after that, just turn it small, and also add the little spice like salt and Reiko. I do not want any tomato or tomato paste or anything to change the color. I just want it to be white like that. So it's just frying it. Then we cover it and give it time to cook. Then come and check again until it is ready. This is the end result of our meal. These are our chips. The fried fish is here. Then the cabbage, we just fried it as well. We don't want any color, just beside the chips and the whatever. This is looking good now. Very important. So we don't have a pounding whatever. How do you call it, Christy?
Mortar.
We don't have pounded mortar, so we're using this lid of saucepan and a bottle with water to pound this pepper. We put a lot of energy or effort in cooking the meal, so we want to make sure that it is special in every corner. And next time, if you get yourself in the village and you don't have the mortar, you can use this same trick. We don't have time. We could have cooked it with some paste, but no, or some tomatoes. But now this one, we're just going to squeeze some lemon there, and we are good to go. Put it in an empty plate because we don't have any container for this pepper. I want to put it in an empty plate. We cut the lemon. The pepper is not much, so the chili is not much, so we are going to use only one side of the lemon on it. Then maybe the lemon is juicy.
So you mix it up.
So our pepper is ready, or rather chili.
Ready to use.
Chai.
That's chips lovers.
You some more.
The food is still there.
Let me open this one.
This is a complete meal.
I know.
I don't want to eat fish one.
Can I end it?
Yes.
You people are well mannered though.
Which one is you for well mannered? Seriously. Shut up. You can just put one side so that you'll be tapping small. It's a complete plate. Can I get it? Huh?
Fork. Okay. Thank you. So it's my time to take care also.
Now you test. Let's see.
Village food.
Our own handmade.
Mmm.
Yeah. Are you sure? Oh, the is for the camera.
It's very nice, I'm telling you.
Let
me taste a bit of the cabbage.
Is the salt even enough?
Perfect. Time for tasting the fish.
Time for the fish now. We have brought city to the village.
The garlic has really gone inside very nicely. Which one I can't put?
I know. I did not warn you people. I know
As we are
shouting.
sitting inside, you better those things. They should go with money for the fish. What do you think they say?
They will come back.
Okay.
Somebody want to post this one also?
I want to.
Maria is posting her food city to the village.
The entire process is
You know, we even took video of the cooking process.
That's why we are even serving on camera.
See, they are now down.
When I told people because of the bats you eat inside, people you thought it was. I did it. Now you have seen for yourself.
They have a hat. This was coming there.
So, lemon one side. The only thing that we are missing now is ketchup. We don't have, so we have gone wrong somewhere. But it's still okay.
So even recording the talks, just grab my voice there.
That one will be edited.
We have this in the tip.
This YouTubers.
This one is good. Let me taste the cabbage now.
What is eating? Someone is recording. No one is satisfying. No one is only doing the work.
Amazing. Let me taste the fish.
Yeah.
The piece of fish.
The time we marinated this fish, it has stayed for long because we were still trying to feed the Irish and all that. So actually the spices entered. And it's only 2 spices we used though. No serious thing. Oma, the food is nice. You can come and join us. Madam Card now.